Atomic Habits by James Clear is a self-help book that offers practical strategies for creating and sustaining positive habits while eliminating negative ones. The book emphasizes the power of small, incremental changes, referred to as atomic habits, and highlights the impact these habits can have on personal and professional growth. In this summary, I will highlight the most important key points from the book. Introduction. James Clear begins by emphasizing the profound impact that habits have on our lives. He introduces the concept of atomic habits, which are tiny changes that accumulate over time and lead to significant transformations. Clear suggests that it is not our goals that shape our lives, but rather our habits, as they determine our daily actions. Chapter 1. The Surprising Power of Atomic Habits. Clear explains that the key to building effective habits is to focus on the systems and processes rather than solely on the goals. He suggests that by improving 1% each day, tiny changes can compound over time to produce remarkable results. Clear also introduces the concept of the plateau of latent potential, where habits may not yield immediate results but eventually lead to significant breakthroughs. Chapter 2. How your habits shape your identity, and vice versa. Clear argues that our habits are not just actions but reflections of our identities. He suggests that lasting change occurs when we believe that a new behavior is part of who we are. By focusing on small, consistent actions, we can gradually shift our self-image and identity to align with our desired habits. Chapter 3. How to build better habits in 4 simple steps. Clear introduces a 4-step framework for building better habits. Q. Make the desired behavior obvious and visible. Craving. Create a craving for the habit by making it attractive and satisfying. Response. Develop an effective and easy-to-follow response to the cue. Reward. Establish a satisfying reward that reinforces the habit. By following this framework, individuals can design habits that are more likely to stick and lead to long-term change. Chapter 4. The Man Who Didn't Look Right. In this chapter, Clear discusses the importance of environment in shaping our habits. He explains how the people and places around us can influence our behaviors. By optimizing our environment and making it conducive to positive habits, we increase the likelihood of success. Chapter 5. The Best Way to Start a New Habit. Clear introduces the concept of habit stacking, which involves linking a new habit to an existing one. By leveraging existing habits as triggers, individuals can effortlessly incorporate new habits into their daily routines. This technique allows for the gradual integration of multiple habits over time. Chapter 6. Motivation is overrated. Environment often matters more. Clear argues that relying solely on motivation and willpower is ineffective for sustaining habits. Instead, he suggests focusing on designing an environment that supports desired behaviors. By reducing the friction associated with good habits and increasing the difficulty of bad ones, individuals can make positive habits the path of least resistance. Chapter 7. The Secret to Self-Control. Clear explores the concept of temptation bundling, which involves pairing an enjoyable activity with a less desirable one. By linking immediate gratification with a habit that serves long-term goals, individuals can make the habit more enticing and increase the likelihood of adherence. Chapter 8. How to Make a Habit Irresistible. Clear discusses the role of habit formation in marketing and advertising. He explains how understanding the psychology of desire can help individuals make their habits more appealing. By highlighting the immediate benefits and making habits satisfying, individuals can reinforce positive behaviors. Chapter 9. The Role of Family and Friends in Shaping Your Habits. Clear emphasizes the impact of social influences on our habits. He suggests that surrounding ourselves with people who have desirable habits increases the likelihood of adopting similar behaviors. Additionally, he discusses the concept of a habit contract and how accountability partners can support habit formation. Chapter 10. How to Find and Fix the Causes of Your Bad Habits. Clear explores the concept of habit tracking and analysis to identify the root causes of bad habits. By understanding the triggers, cravings, and rewards associated with negative behaviors, individuals can interrupt the habit loop and replace them with more positive alternatives. Chapter 11. Walk slowly, but never backward. Clear advises that habits should be seen as lifelong practices rather than short-term goals. He encourages readers to focus on making small, continuous improvements rather than expecting immediate, dramatic change. By embracing the concept of continuous improvement, individuals can achieve long-lasting results. Chapter 12. The Law of Least Effort. Clear explains that the law of least effort states that individuals are more likely to perform actions that require the least amount of energy. By designing habits that are convenient and easy to perform, individuals can leverage this law to their advantage and increase the likelihood of habit adoption. Chapter 13: How to Stop Procrastinating by Using the 2-Minute Rule. Clear introduces the 2-minute rule, which suggests that any habit can be started or completed in 2 minutes. By reducing the barrier to entry, individuals can overcome procrastination and make significant progress towards their goals. Chapter 14: How to Make Good Habits Inevitable and Bad Habits Impossible. Clear discusses the concept of habit shaping, which involves modifying the physical environment to promote positive habits and deter negative ones. By making good habits obvious, attractive, and easy, individuals can create an environment that supports their desired behaviors. Conclusion: He emphasizes that small changes and consistent action can lead to remarkable transformations. Clear encourages readers to focus on the process and systems, build habits aligned with their desired identities, and create an environment that supports positive behaviors. In essence, Atomic Habits provides a practical roadmap for creating and sustaining positive habits. By focusing on incremental improvements, optimizing our environment, and leveraging psychological principles, individuals can make lasting changes and achieve their goals. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps me create more content like this. Is there a book that has made a significant impact on your life? Or maybe there's a hidden gem that you believe deserves more recognition? I can't wait to see what you recommend. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, happy reading.